Salt and pepper.
Peppa Pig.
Wow, we are on it tonight.
Do the dance. Do the dance. Do. Brenda dance.
Hi, I'm Carolina from Mom Joe.
And I'm Leah, and today we are cooking up a storm and making a vegetarian lentil chili.
My mouth is already watering. We're gonna be doing it in our brand new Breville fast slow cooker. It's a pressure cooker and a slow cooker in one. And we're gonna try it out and see how it works.
Apparently it's a huge time saver, and for us moms, we need all the time we can get.
So let's get cracking. If you guys are new to our community, remember to subscribe to our channel, press that button.
And if you're enjoying this video already, give us a thumbs up and let's start cooking. If you guys are looking for a healthy and nutritious, super quick meal for all the family, this recipe is for you. So let's get going with all this beautiful ingredients.
Sounds good. Yeah. Let's head over to the pressure cooker. So when this comes on, you choose the saute option and press start. And just like that, it starts preheating and getting ready for sauteing. What I'm gonna do is, because we're a little short on time today, we're just gonna start sauteing straight up, right? Without waiting for the preheat. And that's gonna save us a little bit of time, and it still works quite well.
So we're putting in some olive oil, throw in the onions. Ooh, listen to
The
the
sizzle. Yeah. We're gonna let them sizzle away until they're nice and transparent.
So we're chopping up all our vegetables.
Yes.
And literally it's a one pot wonder, right? It's all gonna go in.
We're gonna throw everything in there and hope for the best.
Yeah, I'm curious to see how these work. I have actually never used a pressure cooker.
It's amazing. It's time to get all those ingredients into the fast slow cooker.
Everything from the beans to the tomato sauce to the salsa, the lentils,
Just
the vegetables.
toss it all in.
All in there.
1 jalapeno pepper and 1 bell pepper. Toss in the lentils.
Okay, we're going with the tomato paste, 1 tablespoon. You can see we don't like to measure in perfectly. Next is the crushed tomatoes. Apparently we need 15 ounces, about half of this.
Yeah. So next up, we're gonna do 2.5 cups of vegetable broth. And my special trick for the fast slow cooker is to actually pre-boil water so that it takes less time to build up to pressure. And what I'll do is I'll put a cube after the water goes in.
Okay, next we're putting in half a cup of mild salsa.
And then we're gonna put in a can of corn. So before we get to the spices, the very important step,
All the beans. All the beans.
put in all those beans.
We're doing black beans and pinto beans, but my guess is that even if you don't have those beans at home, just throw whatever beans you do have.
Half a teaspoon of a lot of different spices, right?
Exactly. So of course we're gonna throw in salt and pepper. We're gonna do garlic salt. We're gonna do a little bit of cayenne pepper, chili powder,
Cumin.
salt and pepper.
Peppa! Do the dance. Do the dance. Do. Brenda dance. Now we're gonna throw in the cube. What I do is I actually make it super tiny with my hands to make sure that it dissolves, because you don't want one of those chunky pieces of, bouillon in your soup. It's not yummy. So now that we've finished with the saute, we're actually gonna turn on the pressure cooker, and this is how we do it. We're gonna press stop on saute. So I just press stop, and I'm gonna move this up to pressure cook. Press start. Now we're gonna choose from this quick menu what it is we're gonna do. I know that soups, for example, are at medium to high pressure for 15 minutes. 15 minutes is the timing we need. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna build up the pressure a bit manually. All right, so now we're gonna close this baby up. Very easy to do. Just lock it. It goes beep. And then you press start. And it's gonna preheat for about 10 minutes. And then the timer is gonna start counting down until 0 when our soup is gonna be ready.
So that's it? We could just walk away now?
Yeah, for the next 25 minutes, we're just gonna be doing our own thing, and then we're gonna come back to a fully cooked meal.
Freedom!
Good feeling. Good feeling. Okay, so the cooking has ended. It took about 15 minutes for this whole beautiful soup to be ready. And we let it steam release naturally for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's been 11, it's been sitting here for a while, but we can't wait to get into it and try this delicious, yummy, hearty summery soup with all the toppings. Okay, well, this is my favorite part.
Of course it is, because we get to eat.
Yum! Look at this beautiful soup. I'm so excited. What toppings are you gonna use?
Well, that's the thing. We can each choose our own toppings.
I love sour cream.
Sour cream. I would put a bit of evo on there. I'm gonna put some grated cheese. Oh, yes. And of course, because this is tortilla style, we're gonna like crush some chippies on there. Yes. I'm ready to
Yum.
eat.
I'm very excited. It feels like a restaurant meal.
That was so quick.
Amazing. 25 minutes?
That's got a kick in it, girl.
It's spicy. What did you think of the fast slow cooker?
I am super impressed.
Right?
The thing I love the most about it, you just dump all the ingredients in there and you walk away.
Bye-bye.
I mean, it could not make mom life any more simpler. So what do we give it, Carolina? What do you give it out of 10?
Oh, I give this guy like 9 out of 10 for sure. I mean, the only thing that would help, and this is kind of impossible, would be if the pressure built up even faster.
Right.
Which is literally probably unsafe. So I am super, super happy with the Breville fast slow cooker. I think it's a fantastic addition to my kitchen.
I totally agree. And sitting on the island or sitting on your countertop, it's a beautiful addition. I'm gonna give it a good old 10 out of 10.
Yeah,
we
girl.
are in love.
Yes.
So if you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And if you use that fast slow cooker or any other pressure cooker or slow cooker, tell us what your favorite recipes are. Drop them below too.
Yes, we'd love some new inspiration.
Yes.
Okay guys, we will see you next week. Thanks for joining us.
Bon appetit.
Bye.